Today, we're sharing 5 overused words that might be making your speech sound repetitive and how to replace them with stronger alternatives. Let's get started. Absolutely. Meaning, used to emphasize a statement as completely true. In a sentence, I absolutely love this new restaurant. Why it's repetitive, overuse makes statements sound exaggerated and less meaningful. Always. Meaning, at all times, on every occasion. In a sentence, she always forgets her keys. Why it's repetitive, using always too often can sound inaccurate or overly dramatic. Totally. Meaning, completely, to the fullest degree. In a sentence, this movie was totally amazing. Why it's repetitive, it's often unnecessary and doesn't add much value to the sentence. Honestly. Meaning, used to emphasize sincerity. In a sentence, honestly, I think we should leave now. Why it's repetitive, frequent use can make statements sound insincere or redundant. Basically. Meaning, used to simplify an explanation. In a sentence, basically, we just need to finish the report by Friday. Why it's repetitive, it weakens statements by making them seem oversimplified or vague. Quick tip: swapping out repetitive words for more precise alternatives will make your speech sound sharper and more engaging.